for going to music festivals or sports events or music events, concerts, anything that requires clear plastic. This one is fun. It has little cloth handles. It is plastic. It has this outside compartment just on one side. Open it up. It also comes with a shoulder strap. That is your sizing. I love that it has the outside pocket because you can kind of put your phone or your wallet on the outside and then anything else on the inside. I usually like to carry maybe a little rain poncho, maybe some beer koozies, maybe a little fold up blanket to sit on, and sometimes maybe a shawl or a little really lightweight sweater will fit in here in case you're outside and the temperature's going to get cold. Anyway, this is just another option for all sporting events, music festivals, when you need a clear bag. I also have this, FYI, in a gray trim. See? In gray and pink. Because a girl can never have too many bags.